When it comes time to weld metal at home or in the workshop, many people run into machines that are bulky, hard to handle, or simply not powerful enough. Choosing the right tool can make a huge difference. That's why inverter welders have become a popular choice. They're compact, efficient, and designed to deliver smoother, more precise welding without the hassle of older equipment. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best inverter welders available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these welders, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the ARCCAPTAIN ARC 200 Welder, a powerful option designed for people who need a reliable tool for metalwork at home or in a workshop. This machine delivers up to 200 amps of welding power, which allows it to handle a wide range of tasks. From thin metal sheets to thicker steel pieces, it provides the strength needed for repairs, structural maintenance, fabrication projects, and general workshop jobs. One of the most helpful features is its smart power control system. This system automatically adjusts the welding output depending on the electrode being used. That means beginners can get started much more easily, while experienced users still have the option to fine-tune the settings manually. This balance between automation and control helps make the welding process smoother and more predictable. Another advantage is that it works as a 2-in-1 welding machine. It supports stick welding, which is commonly used for strong metal repairs, and it can also perform Taiji welding when used with an additional torch. Because of this flexibility, the equipment can handle everything from quick household fixes to more detailed metalwork. The machine also includes a large digital display. This screen clearly shows important information like the power level and welding settings. The bright display makes it easier to read while wearing a welding helmet, so adjustments can be made quickly without stopping the job. To improve usability, the system includes helpful features that make welding easier. These functions assist with starting the arc smoothly, keeping the welding power stable, and preventing the electrode from sticking to the metal. This makes the process feel more controlled and far less frustrating. Portability is another strong point. The unit weighs about 7.3 pounds, making it easy to carry between different work areas. With its handle and shoulder strap, it can be moved around a garage, workshop, or job site without much effort. It also includes built-in protection systems that guard against overheating, overload, and unstable electrical current. These protections help keep the internal components safe and support a longer service life. The equipment also meets recognized international safety standards, giving users extra confidence when operating it. Next up, we have the FEIFANKE MIG 135 Welder, a versatile machine designed for people who want a simple and reliable way to work with metal. One of the first things that stands out is its 3-in-1 welding capability. This means it can handle gasless MIG welding, stick welding, and TIG welding when used with an additional torch. Because of this flexibility, it works well for home repairs, garage projects, and small metal builds. Another helpful feature is its smart control system. Instead of spending time adjusting many complicated settings, the machine can automatically regulate the welding power and wire feed speed. All the user needs to do is choose the wire type or select the desired power level. This makes the process much easier, especially for people who are new to welding or still learning the basics. In terms of power, this unit delivers up to 135 amps, which is enough to weld steel pieces up to about 0.2 inches thick. That level of performance makes it a solid choice for general metal repairs, small fabrication work, and maintenance tasks around the home or workshop. The system also uses inverter technology, which helps keep the welding arc more stable during operation. A stable arc means cleaner weld lines, less spatter, and smoother results, which can make a big difference when working for longer periods of time. Another practical feature is the digital display on the front of the machine. This screen clearly shows important information like the power level and current settings. Being able to quickly see these details allows the user to make adjustments without interrupting the job. The welder is also designed to be portable and easy to move around. It weighs about 13.9 pounds, so carrying it between the garage, workshop, or job site is simple. The built-in handle and optional shoulder strap make transportation even more convenient. It also includes built-in protection systems that guard against overheating, electrical overload, and unstable current. These safety features help keep the machine running smoothly while protecting the internal components for long-term use. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the TOOLIOM TL200M Pro Welder. a machine built for people who want flexibility and solid performance when working with metal. This unit stands out because it offers 5 welding processes in one machine. It supports gas MIG welding, gasless MIG welding, TIZ welding, stick welding, and aluminum welding, making it a very versatile option for many types of metalwork. One of the main highlights is its strong output of up to 200 amps. That level of power allows it to handle everything from thin metal sheets to thicker steel pieces while still producing good weld penetration. Because of this, it works well for home repairs, garage projects, maintenance work, and small fabrication jobs. Another useful feature is the dual voltage capability, allowing the machine to run on 110 volt or 220 volt power. This makes it much easier to use in different places. It can plug into a regular home outlet or into a stronger shop power source. That flexibility is especially helpful for people who work in multiple locations. The welder also includes a smart synergic control system. This feature simplifies the welding process by automatically adjusting the voltage based on the wire feed speed. In simple terms, the machine helps find the right settings for you. Beginners can start welding more easily, while experienced users can switch to manual mode for more precise adjustments. Another convenient feature is the large digital display. This screen shows important information like the welding current and operating settings in real time. Being able to see these values clearly makes it easier to keep the weld consistent and well controlled. This machine also supports multiple welding wire types, including solid wire, flux core wire, and aluminum wire. It works with wire diameters of 0.031 inches, 0.035 inches, and 0.047 inches, and it can hold larger spools, that means longer welding sessions, without constantly stopping to replace the wire. It also includes built-in protection systems that guard against overheating, electrical overload, and excessive current. These safety features help keep the machine running smoothly while extending the overall lifespan of the equipment. Now let's move on to the YESWELDER ARC 125D Pro, a compact machine designed for people who want a simple, reliable tool for metalwork at home or in the garage. This unit offers adjustable power from 20 to 125 amps, which is more than enough for handling thin metal pieces and everyday repair jobs without making the process complicated. One feature that stands out right away is the large digital display on the front of the machine. This screen clearly shows the selected power level and other important information while working. Because the numbers are easy to see, adjustments can be made quickly, even while wearing a welding helmet. This small detail makes the welding process much more comfortable and easier to control. Inside the machine, it uses inverter technology, which helps keep the welding arc stable and efficient. A steady arc means the weld stays smoother and more consistent. It also helps reduce metal splatter during the process, making the results cleaner. This is especially helpful for people who are just getting started with welding and want a machine that feels easier to handle. The system also includes features that help make welding simpler. One function helps start the welding arc more easily, while another keeps the power stable while working. These tools help prevent the electrode from sticking to the metal, which makes the entire process smoother and less frustrating. Another detail many users appreciate is the compact size and lightweight design. The machine weighs about 4.4 pounds, so it can easily be carried from one workspace to another. This makes it ideal for quick repairs, small workshop projects, or outdoor jobs where mobility matters. It also includes built-in protection systems that guard against overheating, electrical overload, and unstable power. These safety features help keep the machine operating safely while protecting the internal components and extending the overall lifespan of the equipment. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we have the ARC200 Stick Welder, a machine built for people who want strong welding power with simple operation. This unit delivers adjustable output from 20 to 200 amps, making it capable of working with different types of metal without much effort. Because of this power range, it works well for home repairs, garage projects, and everyday metal work. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is its inverter technology, which helps create a more stable welding arc. A stable arc means the weld feels smoother and produces less metal spatter, making the process easier to control. This is especially helpful for beginners, but even experienced users will appreciate how consistent the weld results feel. Another highlight is its compact and lightweight design. This welder is small enough to be carried with one hand, which makes it easy to move between different work areas. Whether working in the garage, a small workshop, or even outdoors, its portable size makes transportation simple and convenient. To make welding easier, the system includes several helpful features. These functions help start the arc quickly, keep the welding power stable while working, and prevent the electrode from sticking to the metal. With these features, the welding process becomes smoother and far less frustrating, especially for people still learning the basics. The machine also works with many common welding electrodes, which means it can handle different types of metal jobs without needing another machine. This flexibility makes it a practical tool for everyday repairs and small fabrication projects. The package also includes welding electrodes, cleaning tools for removing slag, and protective gloves, so users can begin working almost immediately after opening the box. Along with that, it comes with built-in protection systems that guard against overheating and electrical overload, helping the machine operate safely while supporting a longer lifespan for the internal components. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect inverter welder, or if there's another inverter welder you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.